Welcome to Frostbuilt DC, where we explore the very best in home design and construction. We hope we can earn your subscription today.
And today's topic is a very interesting one. How much does it cost to renovate an old home? Now, it's a very popular question for very good reason. Let's dive in and have a look. First of all, let's have a chat about what influences the cost of renovating an old house. Well, firstly, and maybe a bit obviously, the size and the scale of a renovation, the types of finishes that you're going to include in your renovation. Well, number two, the existing subfloor, the structure, and the services. These things need to be investigated to get a clear picture of just how much it's going to cost to update and renovate that old home. Let's take a look at some common hidden costs which are often overlooked. Number one, structural repairs. Often the structure needs some repair and that can be costly. Number two, termites. They're a real pest and a real problem and often very costly. Next, asbestos. We've got to remove that asbestos and that can be costly. And one that's often overlooked is permits, levies and charges from the council mainly. Now, nobody likes surprises, but they can be avoided. In our experience, these things help. Number one, detailed plans. Don't be fooled into thinking that you can get a job done on the DA plans. You need proper construction documentation done. Number two, allow some time for thorough inspection and planning. The things we spoke about earlier, we can have them investigated before you start the job. And probably the most importantly, communication. Work with a team that communicates very effectively. And finally, work with a local builder. They're very familiar with your local surrounds and can pass on some good cost-saving tips specific to your area. It's probably best to consult with an expert in design and construction to get a realistic idea of costs and what you can do. And if you are ready to take on that new addition or extension, reach out to Frostbuilt DC and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe. And why not leave a comment down below? Tell us what you'd like us to cover. Pick a topic and we'll take on the challenge. See you on the next episode.